In this video, we are going to see how we can re-login into the QuickBooks Online system. So we have already created the ID, and now let's say that we have closed the browser and now we want to re-access this. If you can't find the link in the URL, you can just go to Google and just write QuickBooks Online sign in, and here just scroll down a little bit until you see this online login, sign into your account. Just click here and select QuickBooks Online, continue to sign in, and here let's get you into QuickBooks. This is the login that you want to use. Just click here, and the ID and password must be saved. Just select that, and it says welcome back, and it has some more configuration stuff. Get started. You can just start your business, and that's how you can re-sign in into the system. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.